Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy croissants. We'll dive right into smart ingredient swaps that make a big difference without sacrificing flavor. You'll discover how to create those beautiful, flaky layers with a simplified dough process. Get ready to enjoy a lighter version of your favorite pastry, perfect for any morning treat. Making healthier croissants starts with smart ingredient choices. Opt for whole wheat flour to boost fiber, giving your pastry more nutritional value. Instead of traditional butter, try using coconut oil or a plant-based alternative for a lighter fat profile. Remember to reduce added sugars, perhaps using a touch of maple syrup or honey for sweetness.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after you've enjoyed your delicious, healthy croissants, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the crumbs. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
The key to great croissants is the dough, and we've simplified the lamination. This method makes it achievable for any home baker. Ensure you chill the dough thoroughly between each fold. This is crucial for developing those distinct, flaky layers. You'll get a wonderful texture without needing excessive butter or complicated techniques. Now for the fun part, shaping and baking. Roll your dough to a consistent thickness, about 1/8 of an inch for even cooking. Carefully shape each croissant into its classic crescent form. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.